Welcome to Module 2 of the Comprehensive Prompt Engineering course, Training Deep Learning Models. In this video, we'll delve into the essential concepts and techniques for training deep learning models. Deep learning models are powerful tools that can solve complex tasks, but they require proper training to perform well. One key aspect of training deep learning models is gradient descent, which allows the model to optimize its parameters. Gradient descent is an iterative optimization algorithm that minimizes the loss function of the model. There are different optimization techniques, such as stochastic gradient descent, SGD, ADAM, and RM-SPROP, that help speed up the convergence process. Let's visualize how the gradient descent algorithm works. At each iteration, the model adjusts its parameters in the direction that reduces the loss. Overfitting is a common challenge in deep learning, where the model becomes too specific to the training data and fails to generalize well. Regularization techniques, like L1 and L2 regularization, dropout, and early stopping, help prevent overfitting by adding constraints to the model's learning process. To better understand the effect of regularization techniques, let's compare the learning curves of regularized and non-regularized models. Regularized models tend to have smoother learning curves and better generalization. Transfer learning is another powerful technique in deep learning. It allows us to leverage pre-trained models on similar tasks and fine-tune them for specific applications. Pre-trained models have already learned valuable features from vast amounts of data, saving us time and resources. Visualize the transfer learning process, starting with a pre-trained model and fine-tuning it for our specific task. This approach enables us to achieve better performance and faster convergence. To summarize, in this video, we explored gradient descent and optimization techniques for training deep learning models. We also discussed regularization techniques to avoid overfitting and the benefits of transfer learning with pre-trained models. In the next video, we'll dive into the exciting world of natural language processing, NLP, and its role in prompt engineering. Get ready to discover how NLP can enhance the power of prompt engineering.